stay a few more hours, looks like. Just enjoying from my window. I watch every year actually here, but when they start on 4th of July, there's more Macy arranged that in Midtown, where the traffic and millions of people come from all over. So it's very hard to go there and not easy to find parking either, because they close many streets and avenues. So it's a very nice other side. This is other side of water actually. Those buildings are part of New York, but not New York City. New York City is, I'm standing in New York City actually. So that area is a Queens, which is other borough of New York. New York have 5 boroughs, which is Queens is one of them, Manhattan is one of them. So total of 5. Staten Island, Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan. These are the 5 boroughs basically. So this bridge connect to the 3 boroughs. That's what they call tri-borough, mean 3 borough, to connect this bridge, which is the right front of my camera. So this highway is a 2-way, which is going south to north, north to south. So it's connect many states. Now when people go to Connecticut or New Jersey or going to different states, they can take this road and go all the way to take like a New England, many states. I drove many hours there because my son used to be in that college in those areas. 5-hour drive from New York, so I used to go time to time. So now is already going to be late night, so